Oh, you made it. I was just explaining the situation to Paul.
Hykros wants to shut down the tower, right?
Yes. Archon Elric asked us to find a way to shut down the Omnium Tower, but what should we do exactly?
Oh, Elric. Leaving such an important job to us.
I've checked the internal structure of the Omnium Tower. It's a mess. It'll take some time to rearrange the energy pipeline.
Oh, wow, Paul. You know how to stop it?
Cut to the chase, Franz. If you have a way, just spit it out.
Simply put, we need to find something called Astrum. Have you heard of it?
Astrum? What's that?
It's a kind of artificial omnium crystal, and a very efficient energy storage medium. We need it to power the cooling system inside the Omnium Tower. But unfortunately, after the Cataclysm, the technology to produce it was lost. It won't be easy to find a complete piece of Astrum. Luckily, I have some friends who deal with things under the counter. They shared some valuable information. There's a fighting competition held around here, and the organizer seems to have put up a piece of Astrum as the reward. A generous prize indeed.
So you're saying we should try to win the competition?
Well, you know I've said it before. Fighting really isn't my forte, so... good luck with the Astrum hunting.
Leave it to me. I'll win the competition.
Welcome to Mega Arena! The competition is underway. Everyone's gunning hard for the Astrum. I haven't seen you before. Is this your first time here? Want to give it a shot? All the competitors here are the best of the best! But if you're interested in betting, that's reserved for regulars. Sorry, rules are rules. Glad to see another competitor. Please see Digsby, the arena manager. He'll make the necessary arrangements.
This is Mega Arena. If you're not competing, then watch by the stands. A new contestant? Digsby's busy. I'm in charge today. Rules? I'll just tell you the most important one, because I hate chit-chat. Anything goes, just don't kill anyone. There's also something about no private fights. Can't remember. You do you. I'll give any rule breakers something to remember. You got that? That's it. A new round is about to start. Come check it out. That one over there with the dual blades is a rookie, just like you. She's up against a veteran called Nebo, who isn't actually that good. Itching for a fight? Get ready, because you're next. Your opponent is the winner of this match, and it looks like it's gonna be Katie. Do your best, rookie.
Next up, an all-new mega fight. In the blue corner, we have Katie from Banges. In the red corner, we have a new contestant from Astra Shelter. Let's get it started! What an excellent match! The new contestant from Astra is your winner!
Not bad. I thought you were an amateur. Guess I was wrong. Your next opponent is Max. He's won a few times before. He's pretty popular. You want to talk to him? You can find him in the stands before the match.
Stop looking around. I'm Max, your next opponent. Hey, what's with that look? I don't care who you are or where you're from. Be ready to beg for mercy. You asked for it.
Who is your favorite? In the red corner, our tenacious newcomer. In the blue corner, we have Skillfist Marcus and Adam, his AI companion. Let's get it started! It to the final!
Won the semi-final too, huh? Good work. But the final match is gonna be difficult. It's a three-way brawl, and the last one standing wins. But today's not your day. Your opponents are the Brutal Brothers. They've got a trick or two up their sleeves. They'll work together to eliminate the third contestant, to make sure that one of them wins. I hate to say this, but it's a long shot for you. You can talk to them before the match, but I'm warning you, don't start anything.
Huh?
You're up against us in the next round. Too bad. The prize is ours. I'm gonna win it again this time and be the triple champion. You get it? It's mine.
You're the poor fool up against us in the finals? The Brutal Brothers are gonna chew you up! What? Gordon still wants to win again? It's my turn, he promised! How dare he double-cross me! I'll deal with him after I'm done with you. Just you wait!
The anticipated final is about to begin! Will the Brutal Brothers win again? Or will the Dark Horse cause an upset? Let's find out! Let's get it started! winner hails from Astra Shelter!
Winning the championship on your first try. That's really something. I would love to fight you. Oh, almost forgot. Here's your prize, the Astrum. All yours. It'll fetch a good price out there. That's it for today. My work is done. and I'm out of here.
Congratulations on the victory. Franz is waiting for us at the Omnium Tower. We should get this to him quickly.
Franz, we have the Astrum.
Whew, that was fast. Now we just need to link it up with the Omnium Tower's control station and activate the cooling system. See? We've already quieted the tower down. But that was only the first step. The heirs of Ida are still lurking in the shadows. Shutting down the other 4 towers won't be that easy. You and Mia should go back to the shelter and say your goodbyes. Banj's Omnium Tower is the closest from here. I'll do some recon on it.
Franz told us everything. You're headed to Banj's port, right? I know you're working for Hykros now, but you'll always be one of us.
Zeke only did it because he had no choice. I just want to see him and Shirley back safe again. Sorry, we left you with the toughest job. We can't possibly repay you for everything you've done for the shelter.
This thing with Zeke, it's in your hands now.
I will find them. I promise.
Follow the Blue Creek downstream to reach Banj's dock. Be careful.
What's going on here? The hyenas are at it again. I need to help that person.
Beautiful moves. Thanks. Are you alright? I'm fine, thanks to you two. Those pests are getting bolder. To think they'd come so close to the port. Hey, congrats!
Huh? What for?
The bounty for the White Lightning. It was personally issued by President Kolador. Searching database. Still no results for Kolador. The president of Banj's Industries. That doesn't ring any bells? Search complete. Kolador, president of Banj's Industries. We can ask him about the area's Omnium Tower. So you're not here for the bounty? Ah, then you must be here for the Grace Day Festival, right? If that's the case, then you're out of luck. There probably isn't much to see this year.
Why is that?
I've been here all day, and I haven't caught sight of any merchant ships entering the port. Just last year, it was packed around this time. Did something happen here?
Probably the bandits. They've been real active recently and must have scared the merchants off. Wonder when President Kolador is gonna do something about it. Come on, it's not safe here. Let's get back to the port. Hey, this is your first time here, right? How about a tour? I'm Hilda, by the way.
We're from Astra. This is Mia. We're actually looking for someone who might have been here recently.
Zeke from Astra? Can't say I've seen him. There are a lot of new faces around town because of the festival. It's gonna be hard to find him, I'm afraid. But I can tell my friends to keep a lookout for him. The more eyes, the better. Come, follow me.
Hey, long time no see, Hilda.
Theo, why are you out here without your bodyguard? What if your illness acts up?
I've been inside for too long. Need some fresh air. Don't worry. I always have my meds with me.
You're the heir to Banjus. You can't afford to be so careless. You won't hear the end of it if Mr. Kolador finds out.
Father, he's been up to his neck with something important lately. Barely even has enough time to see me.
Oh, is Mr. Kolador busy now? I was actually hoping to get some help from him.
Oh, can I be of any help?
Not for me, but for my new friends here from Astra. They're looking for a man called Zeke. By the way, I got attacked by white lightning on the beach. Luckily, my new friends were there to save me.
Hello, I'm a friend of Zeke's. He may have been here recently.
I'm Theo, a friend of Hilda's. A pleasure to meet you.
Theo's dad, Mr. Kolador, is the president of Banjus Industries. If anyone here could find Zeke, it'd be him.
I'll go talk to my father. If your friend is indeed here, we will find him.
Theo, how many times have I told you? You need to inform me before going out, and never alone by yourself. Hurry along back. The doctor's still waiting to do your routine checkup. If everything's fine, you can still go to the festival tonight. Oh, you defeated White Lightning? Young people these days truly surprise me. I don't have the reward with me right now, but don't worry. I'll send my people to contact you later.
Hilda, about President Kolador.
Mr. Kolador is a good person, but he can be quite stern at times. But I guess that's to be expected for someone in his position. Don't worry, Theo will talk to Mr. Kolador about finding your friend. The Grace Day Festival is tonight. Maybe the one you're looking for will show up there.
Speaking of which, what exactly is Grace Day?
Well, Banjus began as just a small remote settlement, and life was tough. One year, there was a famine caused by pests and attacks from monsters that almost wiped everything out. By some good graces, eventually, a merchant ship stocked with food docked here and saved everyone. That day then became Grace Day. And, as you must have guessed, that merchant is Mr. Colador. Everything we have in Banjus is literally owed to him.
It looks like you really worship Mr. Colador.
Of course, and there are lots of stories about him. Let me tell you all about them. Wow, it's really late. Time passes so fast.
Because you've been talking non-stop.
I know I tend to get like that sometimes. Hey, you're still looking for your friend, aren't you? I'll take you to my friends. Come.
Hey, Hilda. Long time no see.
Hey, Kelly. How's business?
Why? Of course. Here, 2.
Hilda? Is that really you?
Huh? Harry the Crybaby? Kelly is worried about you, so she sent me here. Look at you, frowning. What happened?
I'm not frowning. Nothing happened. Just that there are too many things to do. A new shipment came, but I don't have time to pick it up. There's still a crate of cargo at the port.
Are you slacking off again? The shipment came in yesterday.
But I can't do it alone. Hilda, can you please?
Hold on right there. I'm not cleaning up after you. No way.
What? It's done already? Thank you so much.
Piece of cake. Where did Hilda go?
Info. Hilda went to the port to respond to a request for help. The helping request was issued by a girl called Ants. Ant's balloon got caught on a streetlight.
How long has she been gone?
It was just now, about half a minute. You should be able to catch up to her.
Hey, you're here.
What is it? Why are you upset?
I can't seem to reach the balloon up there. You got some moves. Can you help?
Leave it to me.
Thank you. On behalf of little Anne, it's nice to get something lost back.
You're quite a kind person.
Well, people gotta be kind to each other, right? Crow came to me just now. He said there was a problem with the lights for the celebration, and we needed to call someone to repair them.
Okay.
Wonderful. Wonderful, Hilda. You found help.
This is my new friend from Astra who volunteered to help fix the lanterns.
Hello. What can I do to help?
Thanks. I just got done myself.
I made the round, but not sure if I fixed it.
Oh, that's easy. See that switch over there? Flip it and see how well you did.
Then I shall. Hope everything's fine.
Happy Prayer Day.
Is that Zeke?
How are things?
Please be assured that everything has been arranged, my lady.
If they aren't willing to cooperate, you know what to do.
Yes, my lady.
Go then. We've been followed, and I need to take care of that. Why don't you show yourself? having trouble keeping up, kid? I don't hate you. But you must remember your manners when you ask a question next time.
You're finally awake. It seems someone's ambushed you. Was Zeke there?
No, I couldn't see Zeke. That woman knew I was following.
Hey, where were you? The celebration is almost over. You missed so many fun things.
I spotted Zeke.
Isn't that who you're after? Did you catch him? Follow me. I'll take you to...
Welcome. Are you here for a room? We only got one left, and it's at a special holiday rate.